From last few weeks I have been thinking that whether to create a YouTube channel for test automation or not, but I have decided finally to create it, and I am creating it, and this is the first video that I am posting in this channel. And if you are in a test automation field for almost like more than 5 years, you might have heard about my voice in different channels. So now I'm creating on my own channel, and I'll be uploading all the videos for test automation. So I have about 11 years of experience, actually more than 11 years of experience, because last 18th I crossed 11 years in the test automation field. I have started with Selenium, Java, and then I worked with Selenium, Python, and then I worked with Protractor and JavaScript, Puppeteer, JavaScript, and then I have worked with Serenity and Java, and currently working with Playwright and Python. So this particular channel is going to have more videos related with the test automation as well as the programming languages, because when we say test automation, it's not just about the writing the code. We have to understand the logic behind that particular code, so that even when you change the the library or the tool, automation tool, you should be able to capture it easily. Because why I was telling is, like, I have worked with Java, with Selenium. When I switched with Selenium and Python, it's not about the programming language, but the concept that you understand there, that's what you are going to use it. Because when we shift from Java to Python, the coding is different bit, but the concept is going to come the same way. Maybe the coding syntax is a little bit different. Okay, so I'm going to explain the concept wise as well while I'm programming, and what else we are going to do. Not only just automation, all the tools that are related with automation, that also we are going to discuss. So I have created this channel, Pawan Kumar Nagaraj, for the YouTube purpose. You guys can watch the videos here, but most of the time I'll be uploading my courses in this website. TesterCoder.com. So this is where you can find all the courses and the text contents. Here the courses are going to be free. All the courses are going to be free only. Whatever you see in YouTube, you can access them here as well. In YouTube you might see, like, if let's say 100 videos are there, you will see like 70 to 80 videos in YouTube itself, but most of the videos will be present in this website. Because why this website is required is, I can't be completely depending on Google or YouTube. So that is one of the reason. And second reason is, in YouTube you cannot organize the content in a right format. Let's say, for example, after the introduction you need to go for the installation. These videos may not, you may again and again you need to search it. But when I create a course here, I mean, that is for free, you will have each and everything one after other, so you can easily click and then proceed. At the same time, when I create the text content for the same every video, there will be a text article as well. So when you go to that article, what happens is that you can copy the code directly from the text. Okay, so far I have created only one article, but we will be creating one article at least, and one video. Okay, so we will be starting with Playwright and Python, and then we'll proceed with Playwright and Java, and then we'll proceed to Selenium and other tools as well. Okay, so note down the website. It is TesterCoder.com. So this time, rather than depending on completely on different platforms, I have decided, like, to keep the name of the website itself my name, rather than just using a tester coder or something like that. Because I have done it like this. I also run a different website which normally in a daily basis like 5,000 to 6,000 people visit and read. But what happened with it is, like, I have started with Protractor and JavaScript, and then later went with Selenium, Java, and everything. Later it has become like very huge, that not only just contains testing but other technologies as well, like for example Scala, Go, and a few other languages also I have added. Because of that, it has become too much clumsy. That's why I'm creating this website only for the testing concepts and the related technologies. Nothing else this website will contain, and this website is always going to be free, and you guys can use the videos, okay, anytime you want. It's always going to be free. It's going to be $0 or 0 rupees for that matter. So the only reason I was trying to do this thing is because when I go with the YouTube, the one problem is that I have to depend on the algorithm every time. Like it has to, supply this to the required people, and there are so many YouTube people who are working on this test automation. I just don't want to compete with them. As well as one more thing, if the channel goes down, everything will go down. Again, it's building a popularity is a bit difficult. That's why I'm going with the website as well. So we will be seeing a lot of stuff. I mean, like lot means a lot. Okay, so be ready on it, and we'll create videos after videos, or some days I'll create multiple videos and I'll upload it day by day. But if you follow all the videos, I'm pretty sure you can become intermediate level. I'm never going to say like you can become an expert level. Even if you learn from an expert, you can never become an expert unless you put your hands on it, because it takes a bit of a time. Let's say for example, for me to become a little bit nearby expert in Selenium itself, it took 4 to 5 years. So every now and then a small thing comes, a new concept comes. How do you handle it? Okay, so similarly, I'm going to create the videos. You keep following it, and if you have any queries, I'll give you the links where you can ask the questions, or you can ask the questions under the comment section, so that I can create a video on that. Okay, so I'll try to respond to all the comments. So leave a comment in case if you have a question, or if you want me to explain a particular concept. Okay, so that I can create a video on it, because it is like we never know like what other person wants. I can create standard thing, like let's say like how do you open a browser, how do you close a browser. Somebody might have like he just don't want to close the browser, or he just don't want to open the browser. He might be having altogether a different thing. Or say for example, you want to open 2 browsers and close one of it rather than both of them. So every different people will have a different idea, so you can ask the questions. I'll try my best to give a reply on it, or create a video for it, or write an article on it. Okay, so that is all with this video. Sometimes, yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Sometimes there could be a difference where I am seeing, because the camera is here and the monitor is there, so there will be a little bit of a difference in the viewing angle, so you please do adjust with it. So most of the time I try to see the monitor only, not the camera, because like when we are coding we cannot be focusing on the camera, right? So yeah, so that's all with this thing, and from next video onwards you will see the topics, and please free to leave a comment. Thank you.